enhance video online for free, how to increase video quality. If you'd like to increase the video quality of your, let's say it's in a quite fairly a low resolution, you want to upscale the resolution. So we'll open up our browser and we'll just type in AI video enhancer free. So we'll just type in AI video enhancer free. We'll find many websites that can do this. So I'll just select a certain website. So I'll usually just tap the first one. Now I'll just tap the upload button. Now I'll choose one of the quite a low resolution video in this case. And once I've selected quite a low resolution video, I'll tap the done button and it will start upscaling that video into higher picture formats. So if it's in 480p, it might convert it to 1080p, but it is not going to be fairly accurate 100% of the time. So you can try other tools or try to reconvert and re-download it if one or the other doesn't work. But after you do this, your video should be enhanced completely for free. Remember that we're using free tools, so we get what we pay for. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.